plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 all the way up to 1 over n. What is this going to be doing? Let's look at some partial sums for this. So this is Sn, partial sum. The sequence is 1 over n, but the sum is going to be a little different. So n versus Sn. The first sum is just the first term 1. Second would be 1 plus a half, which would be 1.5. If we add a third to that, that's going to be 1/2 plus 1/3 is 5/6. Oops, the second one. The third one should be 1 and 5/6. The fourth one, if I add a fourth to that, let's see, that common would be 12ths. So that would be 3 12ths plus 10 12ths, 13 12ths. So that would be 2 and 1/12, I think. The 10th one, I'm not going to try and do that in my head. I'm going to ask Desmos. I want to find the 100th one just for fun. So nice to have this summation calculator. So sum, let me just double check my fourth sum. As n goes from 1 to 4 of 1 over n as a fraction is 25 12ths. 12 goes into 25/2 with 1/12 left over. Cool. The fraction is correct today. The 10th one, 7,381 divided by 2,520. Let's get the decimal version. 2.93-ish. Approximately 2.93. What the 100th one? Now, Desmos had trouble with 100th ones before. It ran out of computing power on those, or decimal places to play with. 5.19-ish. Okay, didn't give me a nice number like before. Oops, wrong button. 5.19-ish. What do you say we find the 1,000th partial sum? Can Desmos handle it? Is it beyond its ability? 7.49-ish. It's growing. Let's see. Think Desmos can handle the 10,000th sum? What do you think? I don't know. 9.79-ish. Interesting. Let's see, 10, 100, 1,000. When I've gone up by powers of 10, what has this jump been like from here to here, here to here, and then up to there? 2 to 5, that's a jump of a little less than 3. 5 to 7 was a jump of a little less than 2. 7 to 9 is a jump of, that one's a little more than 2, around 2. Should we make a guess at S 100,000? That it's going to be around, I'm going to guess it's around 11. I was wrong. 12. Well, 12 is around 11. Approximately. ... There was some more to that 12 there. What do we think? Convergent? Divergent? Divergent? Okay. So we don't know at the moment. Convergent? Divergent? So far here, every power of 10 I jumped by for the index, the answer, the sum jumped by at least 2, pretty consistently. Put another 0 in there. 14 something. Okay, definitely a pattern going on there. So if I repeatedly, can't I have a sequence of numbers that goes by powers of 10? Sure, why not? So as my index, my independent variable jumps by powers of 10, my dependent variable is jumping by a little over 2 every time. I'm on Aidan's team here on this one. There's some evidence it diverges, but I have to come up with a better argument that it's going to continue to increase forever. It's increasing. I'm still not convinced it's increasing forever. We'll come back to that. I'm going to leave it as unknown for now. Divergent, question mark, exclamation point. We'll see.